Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is a very interesting video today to stock up on the Scott 12 count or the 4 count paper towels, and we're going to be going to Office Max or Office Depot for this deal. And I am saying that I think this is the best stock up price because you can throw in possibly an IBOTTA gift card, or if some of the savings apps you have PayPal, that's an alternative way to pay for it at Office Max or Office Depot. And I know this is a Walgreens channel, and this week we're getting the same product for $2.75, but the limit for that is 2. This is limitless. Now, if you go over to the Office Max, Office Depot site, whichever store you have, you could possibly sign up for an additional 30% off. Now, here's the great thing about where I live. Somebody has already cleared this out, so I can't partake in this, but I did look up a location up in Texas. I usually always look up Texas, and lots of the stores have tons of these in stock. The original price is 5, and now it's down to 3. So I'm not sure if the manufacturer is going to change the product around in the new year, and that's why they're letting this go. Or I'm not sure, but it's really, really odd. They had a 2-pack about a month or so ago that was like $1 or something bizarre. But you can order this for a curbside pickup through their website. So it's both the paper towel and toilet paper. As Christmas is right around the corner, I know a lot of couponers are super generous with their family, giving a lot of paper products. And I mean, just think about if you had a box of this to give to a family member, how meaningful that gift would be. I think a lot of us see that. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, you can get a gift card for Office Max, Office Depot, and they can process it very quickly for you. Fetch Rewards takes like 3 days, so this would be the app to use. Office Depot, Office Max, and then you know what I would do is go on the website, figure out how much it's going to be, and then go on IBOTTA and get a gift card for that exact amount, and you can customize it to the penny. So we're going to look at 2 different transactions. The first one is if you're going to go like full on gas, you're just going to go really hard with this. We are going to grab 16 of these paper products. So I got 11 paper towels and 5 toilet papers. Now, alternatively, if you want to do it the opposite way, or if your store has enough stock for just the toilet paper, whatever you want, but just make sure that it's 16. And at $3 a pop, the first one is 33 and the bottom one is 15 for the 5. Okay, so looking at this, the subtotal is $48 plus tax. Now, if you can get that coupon code to rock and roll, by all means, go for it. Failing, you can't. I would get a $52 IBOTTA gift card and just utilize it here. And alternatively, you can also use PayPal if that's your thing. I know a lot of us, some of the different apps, you can get a PayPal drop. Shopmium that is no longer with us. If you did collect a lot of money in there, possibly, it's a great way to use your Shopmium money that would be in your PayPal account to pay for this. But why I'm suggesting to do this avenue for this deal is because with Walgreens, the limit like this week is only up to 2 to get them for $2.75, and it's just such a better deal this way, pairing it with IBOTTA. So doing a smaller basket, this one is at 7, so I have 4 toilet papers and 3 paper towels, so 12 and 9. You can mix and match it however you wish. The subtotal here is exactly $21. We have a little bit of tax, so $22.53. I would get an IBOTTA gift card for $23 or use your PayPal and call this a very smart stock up price. Now, with paper as well, a lot of us we're kind of keen to stock up on paper. There was a dock worker strike that lasted, I think, 2 or 3 days last October. They went back to work, but they possibly can go back on strike, I think, the second week of January. And for whatever reason, when the strike happened, even though this paper is manufactured in the US, people were going to all of like Sam's Club, Costco, even your Walgreens, and clearing really quickly. So this would give you a little bit of insurance at this price point to have you covered, because who knows what'll happen, with that possible strike looming again in the second week of January, and people, not couponers, but just people in general, tend to just really stock up on paper products, and they go really heavy with it. So it would just give you and your family a little bit of insurance that you would have this in your stockpile. Alternatively, I mean, if you handed a huge box of paper products to a very practical parent, I mean, it would be like you giving them the lottery. It would really mean a lot. And just to remind you guys, you can do this deal in store and online for a curbside pickup. And that IBOTTA gift card should work in store, no problem. PayPal, unfortunately, that would be curbside pickup only. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.